Punky Flute. This is the day 4 of our 7-day improvisation journey. Welcome! In the previous episodes, we have been practicing musical conversation using notes G, A, B, C, D. Today we are going to add 2 more notes, E and F, so that if you like to think about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, notes without the sharps or flats, or you can think of all the white notes on the piano, that's what we are going to be using today. To practice E and F, I have made this little short melody like this. And then using this melody, I would like us to do it together. Then for the next 2 bars, I would like for you to think about the next phrase to follow this simple melody. So it'll be this melody and the next bit, this melody and the next bit, and so on. I have made a little backing track, so let's see how it goes. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I'd like for us to do the melody together, followed by your next bit. So it's going to be 8 beats of the melody and 8 beats of your phrase, another 8 beats of the melody and 8 beats of your phrase, 4 times around. Let's have a go. Great! Then, next step. Why don't we make this melody a little bit busier? Not harder, just busier. So you can think of the next phrase a little bit busier too. Or not. It's all up to you. You can do whatever you like. There's no right or wrong. This is improvisation. So let's make the busier melody. Let's go E, E, F, E, E, F, E, E, F, G. How's that? We're gonna sound like this. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope to see you again at the next episode. See you!